This could be the car for you. The 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, wireless charging station, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.